Do you know that more than 80% of buying decisions, people making up their mind to buy something, is influenced by women like you and me? And I mean it. The irony of it is that these women recommend products, they recommend services, they don't aim from it. Maybe they don't know, maybe you don't know that you should or you ought to earn, make money, little money, from telling someone about a product you have used, a service you have used. In today's video, I will be showing us how women like you and me are cashing out, on the steady, just by daily recommendations. Telling someone of that thing you have used, telling someone how about your bag, your clothes, where you made your hair, your children's clothes, that app you are using to save money, that app you are using to do one or two things. Many women are cashing out on the steady by just recommending these services and products to people they know without stress. Hello, welcome to Savvy Moms Finance. In this channel, we talk all things women and money. Talk about investing, saving, budgeting, how you can make money and live that life you desire as a woman. And today we are talking about affiliate marketing. Not to worry. I know when you hear affiliate marketing, you'll be like, this English again, what does it mean? Not to worry. I know you've heard of the complicated version of affiliate marketing. Now your financial advocate is here to break it down for you. You will understand it and you will start earning, because all of us women, we recommend one thing or the other. We are always recommending, always saying this is good, I've used this, I've used that. That is just it. Affiliate marketing is just as simple as that. Pass that one. I've used it. I will show you, I will break it down for you, how you can start making money from affiliate marketing. This is the everyday woman version of affiliate marketing tutorials. You don't need a website. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't even need to have followers. All you will be doing is just sharing what you love or what you are using already and earning from it. Imagine you earning something each time someone tries what you recommended. Each time someone buys what you recommended. That is the heart of affiliate marketing. And I'm telling you seriously, sis, many women are cashing out. All what they are saying is that if I'm sharing your product, if I'm telling people about your product, why can't you just give me a little reward? That's not too much to ask. The problem is that most people overthink some certain things, okay? Most women think, I need to be a well-known name. I need to have a website. I need to be a celebrity or an influencer before I can tell someone of that thing I'm using, who will listen to me, who will want to buy. Who am I? My sister, you are a somebody. Don't look down on yourself. You are a somebody. Have you used the product? Yes. Have you used the service? Yes. Have you used that app? Yes. Did it work for you? Did that product, that service, that app give you what you need? The answer is yes. That is enough. So many people need what you already have. They want to know why your skin is glowing. They want to have what you already know. Why don't you tell them, share the links with them, and let them use it? And you make your money. Recommend and you make your money. Many women are signing up to affiliate programs on tools and platforms that they already use, they already trust. For instance, this PiggyVest, it's a popular savings app in Nigeria. They have a referral program where you earn when someone signs up with your link. Also Canva, we all know, is a free graphic design platform, right? See, if you share your Canva Pro affiliate link, you earn when someone subscribes. Should I talk about Jumia and Konga? These are online stores with affiliate options. You just sign up, get a custom link, and when someone clicks through and buys, you get paid. Some women are sharing their links through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or just normal conversation like I'm having with you now. What really makes affiliate marketing work is honesty and trust. You have used this product, you have used this service, you know it works, you know it's working. You don't need to sell anything. All you need to do is to tell someone, this thing worked for me, maybe it will help you too. This is the link. You get it? And I'm telling you, over time, those small commissions, they begin to add up. Have $5 here, 500 naira there, 1,000 naira there. See, it's not about getting rich quick. If that is what is in your mind, forget about it. It's about building a silent stream of income. Just recommending something and making money when the person buys that thing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning, to start making money online without capital. You don't need inventory, you don't need a special skill. And let me tell you, sis, you are already doing the work. Recommendations. You just learned how to earn from it. When you start earning, remember to give me my flowers. Also, if you need a free guide on beginner-friendly affiliate programs, which you can start with, especially for women in Africa or anywhere, just drop a comment, say starter. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with another woman who deserves to earn. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, sis, what are you still waiting for? You don't have to pay, okay? It's free. Subscription is free. You just subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos. I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video.